Chapter 76. Before we go into this chapter, which is about a subject which is not very positive, maybe I can make you laugh a little bit, because you may have noticed throughout the whole book I have trouble saying R's or W's. So as I say this word, it's throughout the whole of this audio chapter. Just understand what it means, okay? So, chapter 76, worry. Worry is a state of mind based upon fear. And that's a quote from Napoleon Hill. Oh, I'm never going to get a deal. Oh, I just know they're not going to sign today. How am I going to survive? What if I don't sell? Oh, I hope I don't get owners again. Worry is a killer when it comes to selling timeshare. Worry sucks your energy and your concentration and can disable a sales professional very quickly. It does not matter who you are once worry kicks in. You can have the biggest lay down in front of you and you could still not get a deal due to worry. Worry destroys self-confidence and initiative. The good news is that worry is a state of mind and therefore can be controlled. There is a saying that like attracts like. A sales professional will worry that they cannot sell to existing owners. And guess what? Who do they end up with on tour? Yes, existing owners. You may also worry that you get sales, but they keep on kicking. Well, guess what happens every time you get a sale? It cancels. All worry is you talking to yourself. It's your inner voice inside you. And the more you talk to it, the more you think it and feel it, and the more active it gets. You bring it alive. It's like talking to a low performer about a non-buying tour. Once you ask them how the tour went, they never shut up. Worry is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but it doesn't get you anywhere. To get rid of worry, speak to its opposite, faith. Faith supports you in everything you do. Faith sees the opportunity in everything. Faith will build you up and back you every time. That's the choice you have, and only you can choose this. Remember, you have complete control over your thoughts. No one else does. You choose to have worry or you choose to have faith. This may sound simple, yet you may have a voice hit you in your head. Yeah, right, but if I keep getting bad tours, I won't make any money. That is worry speaking to you. Faith will say, whatever, I'm on top, I'm focused, and I'm ready to win. I don't care what tour I get. If vacations are important to them, they are buying. In fact, if vacations are not important to them, they will be buying by the time I finish with them. Fact. Faith is great. Give me faith over worry any time of the week. In fact, give me faith because I can't even pronounce worry. What is the point in worrying anyway? It will not get you anywhere and will not put money in your pocket. If you really want to be the top in timeshare, then worry has to be non-existent. And the best way to get rid of worry is to action. Keep yourself active in your work today. The more you stay stable and let your thoughts drift, the more chance you have of letting worry back in. There is a great difference between worry and concern. A worried person sees a problem and a concerned person solves a problem.